ton wrong with this deck. First off, very tall stairs, open risers, very large spacing. We don't like to see more than 4 inches there. That's for child safety mostly. But this tall and this wide of a gap between the steps, that's adult safety too. You could easily trip on that. Balusters, basically non-existent. Very large gap between them. The handrail's loose as well. Very unsafe. The actual deck itself is very deteriorated. There's heavy rot along the joists. These are structural members. These are supporting the entire weight of the deck and transferring them to the home, and there's a lot of rot on them. There's some there, and you can't see it, but from the top of the deck looking down, you can actually see a lot more rot. So that's very unsafe. There's no ledger board. A ledger board is how the deck is supposed to attach to the home. This deck is resting on the brick, it appears, and you can see here, brick wall straight until you get to the top. The brick wall is starting to bow out, it's starting to slant away. Very unsafe. This is something that's going to require a structural engineer to evaluate. No joist hangers, recommended under modern standards. That's not as big a deal as some of those other things. But yeah, in general, and there's also there's no posts here. This is a pretty large gap, and there's just no posts here whatsoever on the front. And then these stairs, there's 2 posts here attempting to support these stairs. Just 2 little nails, that's all they got. It's not notched, it doesn't have any brackets supporting it. It doesn't have any bolts, just 2 little nails. So this is a poorly built deck. It's in very bad condition, it's very unsafe, and probably the way it was built, it's even caused damage to the brick wall. So this is why you hire a home inspector, to inspect your home before you buy it. You might not know some of these things. Even if your dad's a handyman, or even if your husband's a handyman, they might not know some of these things. So definitely unsafe, needs to be corrected, and in all likelihood needs to be completely rebuilt.